Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you 5 easy project ideas that you can knock out for this Mother's Day. Let's get into it. Project number 1 is going to be a cookbook stand. These have become really popular lately and you can find them in any shape and size. I prefer to make mine in the shape of a small breadboard. What I really like about this particular project is that it's not only super useful, but you can also decorate it so that it acts as a piece of art in your kitchen. All in all, this is a perfect gift because not only is it a super simple project, but when you personalize it, you can give your mom just that little bit of guilt if she ever thinks of getting rid of it. Project number 2 is going to be a tablet stand, and not just any tablet stand, but I like this specific design for a few different reasons. Number 1, it just has a really sleek, modern look. It just looks unique. The way it's designed, it can easily hold just about any size tablet and even some phones. Maybe your mom is not really into using tablets that much, but I'm sure she likes to read on occasion. And right now, the little book stands are all the rage. You can make it a little taller and use it as a book stand to hold your book. If you're interested in making this particular stand, we have the plans available on our website for free, so I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. Project number 3 is going to be a trivet or multiple trivets. This one right here is just a really basic waffle pattern that I made out of 2 species of wood. This one right here is a solid piece of wood that I just cut grooves in with my router. Any way that you decide to make yours, this is a super simple and quick project. It's super useful in the kitchen and it can look great hanging on the wall. If you're interested in tackling any of these projects you see today, I do have full build videos for every single one of them, along with templates for most of them. I'll make sure to leave links to all the videos and the templates available in the description below. And make sure to stay tuned to the end to catch our bonus project idea. Now, back to the list. Our 4th project is going to be these salt holders. I don't really remember what they're called. They're not called salt holders. I don't remember. This is one of those projects that you can pretty much make any shape or size that you want. It's a very simple assembly and it comes in really useful in the kitchen. It's also one of those projects that you can personalize by putting a saying, a picture, a name and date on the lid, and just make it your own. And besides, tell me what doesn't make you feel like you have your own cooking show more than having to pinch and sprinkle your salt on your food. I mean, come on. Our 5th gift idea is our biggest category. That's because there's so many options, and that is candle holders. The first in this category is going to be tea light candle holders because that tends to be the most popular. You can do something as simple as this square block or something a little bit more intricate with this heart cutout. We have lots of templates on our website for all different kinds of tea light candle holders, including this one that I made out of walnut that I just think is so beautiful whether the candles are lit or not. Maybe your mom is more of a tapered candle kind of a person. We made this simple design out of a 2x2 stick of oak that we picked up at our local hardware store. We just cut it to different lengths and glued them together. We also made this straight one by just laying it on its side, putting a little foot on the bottom, and drilling a whole bunch of holes so that it can hold a lot of candles. Maybe your mom's not into any of those. Maybe she's more of a jar candle type of person. And for that, you can make one of these. It may look really complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. I picked up this punched metal at our local hardware store, and this is just a round piece of wood that I cut a groove in for the metal to sit in. For whatever kind of candle your mom's into, there are lots of options of candle holders that you can make as a quick and easy gift. For our bonus project, we are talking something just a little bit more complicated, and that is a napkin holder. But not just any napkin holder. This one, you can change the faces on it. Now see, you can make faces for all different times, seasons, or events for your napkin holder that you can easily swap out. This is a great project because it may be a little bit more complicated in the beginning, but after that, adding sides is really simple and it's something that you can add to the collection over the years. That way, for every event, for every holiday, you can just make a new set of plates to give to your mom to add to her napkin holder and make it new all over again. All right, that does it for our list of 5, plus a bonus projects that you can knock out for this Mother's Day. And I know I've said it a bunch in this video, but each project is not only super simple and quick, but something that you can personalize and actually make it a really special gift. I hope this video inspired you and gave you some good ideas of some projects you can knock out for gifts, not just for Mother's Day, but Christmas or birthdays or any special occasion. Thank you very much for watching, be safe, and have a great day.